2021 we have Laani in Jyväskylä, Keski-Suomi, menossa Finland. This asuntoi Jyväskylän Katarina. It's very similar to Solman 10, but this has a stainless steel cap, but it's taller with 13 floors. The other one has 12 floors with a better cap. Built in early 2004, turned 15 years old in 2019. Seal number is H72168 and the capacity is 8 so 600 returns. It's going to be inspected in the next year, 2022. Kind of these fixtures are also not wrong for stainless steel.
Yeah.
But this is still more boring cap.
Yeah. Expected parking maintained by Kone.
And instead of 13, there's the floor here, which is the attic floor, Lutakko.
Yeah.
Because there are no apartments on this floor. They have a drying room there.
Yeah.
I don't know where the saunas are here, but another floor.
That's